Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in the video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, have an order to pick up some puts here. I'm doing SPX options at $10. Okay, at this point, let's go to 950 instead. Okay, in at 950. And out there for a quick $250 scalp. Lasted, I don't know, all of 10 seconds, but I will look to start the process over again at 8. So throw an order out there at $8. And we'll see if the price can get up there and fill me. So yeah, it is 9:32. 2-minute market's been open 2 minutes, already up $250. I'm no greedy savage, very happy with that, but I still do like this move if it wants to come up some more. So like I said, would be interested at that level. Okay, I will go ahead and pause for now. Okay, I have an order at 750 and I'm in. And out there for another quick little scalp, that one for $150, which now puts me up, not from my screen down here, $400 on the day, and it is 9:45. So 15 minutes in, up $400. I'm not going to complain about that. Clay, but if you're still holding, you'd be up so much more. Correct, but these are just scalps. These are what I like to call little sniper shots. So you're not wrong at all. But the idea here is not to go for home run trades. It's just taking high probability trades and letting the odds and probabilities work out. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and call it good. For those of you that are are new to my channel, I do what's called the be done in 30 approach, which means on average I want to be done after right around 30 minutes. Some days I'm more than 30 minutes. Other days like today, I'm under 30 minutes because I do this as a side hustle. And I say a side hustle because I believe in multiple streams of income, and I have multiple streams of income, and I do trading just as a stream of income because at this point in my life, I am chasing the freedom of time. Now, maybe you're doing trading because you want the Lamborghini, you want the private jet, you want the Malibu mansion, and cool, go for it. I hope you accomplish those goals. But for me, at this moment in life, 5 kids, 1 on the way, soon to be 6 kids. I mean, I am after freedom of time. I want to be able to hang out with my family. I want to be able to just do what I want to do. If I want to go work on my real estate investing, great. If I want to go work on my teaching business at claytrader.com, great. So I am seeking after the freedom of time. I'm not saying I'm right. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying we all have different goals. And if I can put $400 in, well, with commissions, 300, I don't know, let's call it 85. If I can put $385 into my pocket after only 15 minutes, I am very, very grateful. I'm very, very happy with that. And, I'm definitely, like I said, more than happy to take those sorts of gains in the relatively small amount of time. So that's all I have. 2 trades, 15 minutes, $385-ish. I'll take it. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only 1 losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.